I'll take that squad. There's definitely a squatch in here. Hi, Austin.
Austin's.
What's up, you Austins? You guys, the same names, going crazy.
Oh, too bad, like, it's not, like, A-C or, like, C-D, because...
You mean A-B, not A-C.
What?
You said A-C.
Yeah.
Why?
No, because...
Like A-C or C-D.
No, if Austin Bailey's last name was, like, Austin Cook, and then be Austin Davis, it'd be A-B-C-D.
There's no B.
I know. Oh, I guess you could go the other way, too. I see.
I look fat, look at...
Look at my cheeks, they're like...
Me too.
Hello, my name's Chub Muffin.
We're chubby because we like muffins.
No, chubby muffins.
Chubby muffins.
Chub.
Chub,
My nose
cheerio.
is really greasy.
I know, my face.
But it's just so light, I swear.
Okay, why are you tilting it the wrong way? Sorry.
It goes back. Me.
Sorry about my laugh. I just realized how retarded it sounds.
Did you play?
Huh?
Did you play?
No. He will.
It's okay. I'm not getting a reply either. Oh, I never sent it. Hi, Austin. My name is Randy.
My name's Emily in case you forgot. I hope you didn't. Because that would be upsetting. You look constipated.
Is that constipated? That's angry.
No, that's constipated. Can you hold it farther out?
I'm sorry. I'm short and my arms don't go that far.
Like a T-Rex.
Mm-hmm. Did he say he was searching it?
Where's your phone? Camera. Thanks. Okay. Oh, it's backwards. Oh, well. He says, thanks, okay. He's gonna watch our video.
Why did he say thanks?
Oh, I was telling him something.
Can you tell me when to get off camera?
No.
Oh, man. Yeah, nuts.
Oh, I'm Nutcracker.
Yeah, haha. I hate it when people say that. Yeah, haha. Haha.
Oh, he's gonna know now.
I sound like a dying...
You guys want to see
Not
my
a
lighter?
whale. Not a whale. Oh, not a whale. What's it called? Dolphin. You're cool. You're so cool. I wish I could be just like
Fire!
you. Ready?
Green smoke. Oh wait, it's good. No wait, okay. That's my lighter.
Virtual fire. Peace, home dog.
Bye.
Dolphin. Bye. Gosh darn it.
It's not working. Maybe you're cold.